Hello, my name is Thomas Jumper,
And I'm Zach.
and we're both the co-founders of Picsplore Social. We're building a platform that brings real, authentic, and exciting experiences right to the palm of your hand. People can't find real and authentic experiences that are happening at this very moment. A few years back, while in Rome, I wanted to seek out a real experience that was just beyond what travel guides would tell me. I was on the hunt for a fun memory, anything from tonight's most popular restaurant or a band playing in the square, even a few people exploring the city in a cool and unique way. No matter where I searched, I would find articles like best thing to do in Rome or pictures of what people did the night before. All this data did not give me a clear indicator of where I should be right now. When returning to New York to throw salt in the wound, my friends and I realized we were all in Rome at the same time, all trying to find cool and unique experiences. There was no forum to let us know we were in the same city and what experiences we could seek out in real time right now. On top of that, back at college, I realized these same issues existed here. Where finding out who was around to hang out and where we can go would take hours and even days to coordinate.
Being a problem that only Thomas and I had, we started talking to people, talking to our friends, and outreaching. When we conducted a survey of young adults ages 18 to 28, we found that over 60% were spending more than 2 hours trying to figure out where to go. And in the end, they would often wind up just texting their friends in group chats to determine where's the best place to go. Our solution was to build a constantly updating platform that would allow users to quickly connect with their friends and go to events and experiences happening right now around them.
Currently, solutions fall into three categories that present shortcomings to finding authentic experiences. Friend oriented platforms have a timeline of things that your friends have done in the past, and also limit you to virtual connections, which drives people to miss out on the real world. Location based platforms expect people to plan days, weeks, or even months in advance. They also are not scalable to both groups large and small, and they rely on past data, not what's happening right now. Also, they're not oriented towards connecting with people, and they cater to venues, not experiences. Last, real time platforms are friend oriented but not location oriented. There's no way for you to be a part of the experience that you're seeing, which is what makes us really unique. We're comprehensive and leverage all their strengths. We are a friends, location, and real time oriented platform. We focus on being fast and getting our users to experience the moment.
Right here in New York City alone, there's 102,000 college students. And these college students, that's where we're going to start. Then we're going to go around the country and target 11 to 13 million college students all across the United States. And from there, we're going to take over the world with 27 to 31 million people. But it doesn't just stop there, because everyone could have this problem and everyone is looking for places to go, new places to experience. And that's where Picsplore comes in.
Since releasing the first version of our app on the Apple App Store, we've seen 180 accounts created and hundreds of pictures posted. Along with this, we have a growing following on Facebook and Instagram with more than 200 people. Also, as we go out and survey people, we noticed that a rewarding percentage of them download the app.
Our outreach consists of person-to-person outreach where we talk to potential users and understand what it's currently like for them to go out, a mailing list of over 10,000 emails where we generate interest and excitement around the idea and keep users updated on improvements and new features as well as conduct surveys, and a social media-based outreach where we garner feedback, generate interest and excitement, and exchange ideas and expand the potential network.
We plan to immediately target 100,000 New York City college and university students. We expect that each user will have a yearly value to us of $20. That would mean that this target market, which is only 0.4% of the whole United States college population, will generate about $2 million of revenue.
Our business model relies around three main tenets that make it sustainable, robust, and accurate. First of all of our posts are crowdsourced by our users. That means that not only are they accurate, but also they're relatable to our users, and that means that we don't have to source from anywhere else besides our own network. Second of all, we're competitive. That means that our users don't need to consult with any other platforms or any other services. There's no need to text friends, no need to use Facebook or Yelp. All the data is right here in our app. And third of all, the advertising is relevant because it's based on locations and events that are happening near the user right now. What we're providing for the user is a locally based feed of authentic experiences happening around them right now. Initially, we're going to be targeting 18 to 24-year-olds, and we're going to connect people to experiences who want to be a part of them. Our cost and profit can be broken down into three main segments. First of all, our cost. We have a fixed server cost for up to 1 million registered users with a variable cost for storage. And our profit is a very high margin profit based on advertising, registered for users throughout their mobile devices based on location.
Zachary and I are the team. We both developed the idea and the platform, working together in every step. I have a finance degree and have a business perspective, while Zachary has a degree in mathematics, which he holds a technical perspective. Together, we are able to develop Picsplore with the help of having two different perspectives.
After college, Thomas and I were very passionate about solving this problem. We really felt that there was a lot that we could do in this area. So we sat shoulder to shoulder, learning how to code, learning all the knowledge that we didn't know and needed to know to build our own company and launch.
Working together has always been a life goal of ours. Our friendship has spanned 2 decades. We've gone to school together, camping deep in the Adirondack surroundings together and have shared countless amount of memories. We are essentially family and look forward to turning this startup into a success. We are looking for $500,000 of investment for 20% equity. With this investment, we plan to further develop our platform, expand into Android, and scale our overall usership to 1 million users. Once we achieve this growth, our revenue will jump to $20 million. In terms of usership, we expect aggressive growth and penetration. Our revenue is directly correlated so that we will see fast growth as well. What gives us an edge as well is that our expenses will only be a small percentage of our revenue. As we gain more users, the per user cost actually drops.